Hi viewers, let's discuss the pros and cons of leasing versus buying a car in this video today. Deciding whether to lease or buy a car is a significant financial decision that depends on various factors, including your financial situation, lifestyle, and preferences. Each option comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here's an overview of the pros and cons of leasing versus buying a car. 1. Leasing a car. Pros. A. Lower monthly payments. Lease payments are typically lower than loan payments for buying a car, as you're only paying for the depreciation of the vehicle over the lease term, not its full value. B. Lower down payment. Leases often require a lower initial down payment or sometimes no down payment at all, making it more affordable to get into a new car. C. Newer cars with warranty coverage. Leasing allows you to drive a new car with the latest features and technology, often covered under warranty for the duration of the lease term. This means you're less likely to incur repair costs. Cons include A. Mileage restrictions. Lease agreements often come with mileage restrictions, and exceeding the mileage limit can result in additional fees at the end of the lease term. This limitation may not suit individuals with long commutes or frequent road trips. B. No ownership equity. When you lease a car, you're essentially renting it for a set period, and you won't build any equity in the vehicle. Once the lease term ends, you return the car to the leasing company without any ownership stake. C. Lease terms and conditions. Lease agreements can be complex, with strict terms and conditions regarding vehicle use, maintenance, and wear and tear. Failure to comply with these terms can result in penalties or additional charges. 2. Buying a car. Pros. A. Ownership equity. When you buy a car, you own it outright once you've paid off the loan. This means you can build equity in the vehicle and eventually sell it or trade it in for a new car. B. No mileage restrictions. Unlike leasing, there are no mileage restrictions when you own a car. You're free to drive as much as you want without worrying about excess mileage fees. C. Customization and modifications. Ownership allows you to customize and modify the vehicle to suit your preferences, whether it's adding aftermarket accessories, upgrading components, or personalizing the appearance. Cons. A. Higher upfront costs. Buying a car typically requires a higher initial down payment and higher monthly loan payments compared to leasing, making it less affordable in the short term. B. Depreciation. Cars depreciate in value over time, and owning a car means you bear the full brunt of depreciation. This can result in a significant loss of value over the ownership period, especially for new vehicles. C. Maintenance and repair costs. As the owner of the vehicle, you're responsible for all maintenance and repair costs once the warranty expires. Older cars may require more frequent and expensive repairs, increasing ownership costs over time. Conclusion. The decision to lease or buy a car depends on your individual financial situation, lifestyle, and preferences. Leasing offers lower monthly payments and minimal maintenance hassles, but it comes with mileage restrictions and no ownership equity. Buying a car provides ownership equity and long-term cost savings, but it requires higher upfront costs and responsibility for maintenance and repair expenses.